A city bird flies and cityscape skies to the dilation of the evangelic lies. And the reawakening is when they try but at the hospice door the city dream dies. The unbeing devil, the all-seeing lies. Sooner or later is a biopic crime. Sleeps on the matter, the city bird tries. Don't spread the lie. Oh no. You can wear my chains like your perfume and bind my soul with your tattoos and masquerade your demon's pulse and escalate to total loss. You can kill the things that make me sane and find the tumor in my brain, and the loss of a child is hard to sink, so you're washing down and down the drink. I said down the drink. Down the drink. If you need, but don't be so afraid. It'll all work out okay. Interfere in foreign affairs and know the differences apparent. I know you're so slow. Fear of communist infiltration, but then China became a communist nation. I did my time to die. Oh, it's time to die. A city bird dies when it tries. A total eclipse, a partial rise. But when everything is less, more is more. And the city bird knows, and the city bird sure. Oh, oh. The understatement of a lifetime. The wily demon with the lizard eyes. The poet, the scripter, the prophet, the scribe. Turns in time to the city bird's mind. A city bird flies in cityscape skies, in total oblivion to the feeder of lies. The bird does care, but that's just life. 'Cause when you can't do nothing, why even try? 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 When you can't do nothing, what's the point? Why even try? When can you be vocal? When is it time to be? When do you know what to do? When do you know what to do? Grab that pen and make a stand and tell the world what you believe in. What do you believe in? What do you believe in? Just tell the world. What do you believe in? What do you believe? Tell the world. I'll tell the world. I'll tell the world. I'll tell the world. A city bird flies in cityscape skies. A citizen's uprest is the map soul of time. For all of this, a city bird died. But if you ask me, it's just a matter of time. A city bird flies in cityscape skies. To is a dilation of the evangelic lies. And a reawakening is when they try. At a hospice door, steady dream dies. A city bird flies. A city bird cries. A city bird tries. A city bird lies. A city bird died. Can I ask you a question? Would you give me the answer? Why do you care? And why would you hate her? For you're the reason no one cares. For you a city bird shaved her hair. A city bird flied and a city bird tried. A city bird wide and it cried. A city bird lied and a city bird died. A city bird why? A city bird tried. For you, a city bird died.